Whales are accumulating these two altcoins, and what's next for Bitcoin after yesterday's spot Bitcoin ETF fake news that sent prices soaring. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Did you know that in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, we have an average of 8 buy and sell calls, 15 strategy calls, 12 alerts, 9 portfolio changes, 5 IDO strategies, 8 airdrop tasks, 3 gem calls, 6 Q&A sessions, and 11 announcements a month? To make things even sweeter, we're giving away 1 month of Alpha subscription for free. Altcoin Buzz, in collaboration with ENJINSTARTER, brings you an exclusive giveaway. Now get a free 1 month Altcoin Buzz Alpha membership. Don't miss out. Check out the links in the description below. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink weighed in on the remarkable controversy that erupted earlier yesterday when a false report from Cointelegraph asserted that his company's application for an iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF had been approved by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The hoax whipped up a frenzy of excitement on social media that sent Bitcoin's price soaring by 10% to just under $31,000, liquidating hundreds of millions of dollars from the market before tumbling back down to $28K.
This rally is way beyond the rumor. I think the rally today is about a flight to quality with all the, all the issues around the Israeli war now, global terrorism. And I think there's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is in treasuries, gold, or crypto, depending on how you think about it. And I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality.
Both BlackRock and the SEC debunked the rumor, and Cointelegraph retracted the post, but not before the price of Bitcoin shot up to nearly $31,000 for the first time since July. Numerous Bitcoin advocates took to Twitter to mourn Monday's blunder, fearing it will be wielded by SEC Chair Gary Gensler to demonstrate the Bitcoin market's volatility and the ease with which it can be manipulated. The incident, they said, could dash any hopes of a Bitcoin Spot ETF being approved in the United States in the near to medium term. While the SEC has continued to keep its cards close to its chest on BlackRock's application, the federal regulator did allude to Monday's events with a single concise tweet saying, "Careful of what you read on the internet. The best source of information about the SEC is the SEC." Meanwhile, Cathie Wood thinks it's the Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler who's standing in the way of a proposed spot Bitcoin ETF and not necessarily the agency itself. Woods, who leads asset manager ARK Invest, said people focus on research that work at the agency, are knowledgeable, and that the disconnect seems to land with Gensler saying this.
We know the research people at the SEC, and they know what they're talking about. They are really good. We've met the head of FinHub now, who reports directly to Chairman Gensler. And for me, the disconnect is they know so much and they are so good that I believe this was much more Gary Gensler standing in the way. I don't know for sure because they could never say something like that. I just know from how we have discussed Bitcoin with them that they really understand it and they understand its merits. Most important. So this is Gary Gensler.
Woods added that she didn't expect the regulator to approve just one fund, saying they'll probably approve a group of them. The Manta Network, just weeks after going live as a Layer 2 blockchain atop Ethereum with software from OP Labs' OP Stack, is already planning to jump ship. Leaders of the project said on Monday that the network will be retooling using a rival software package, Polygon's Chain Development Kit, or CDK. The move means that Manta Pacific, a part of the Manta Network ecosystem, will ditch its status as a so-called optimistic rollup, the core underpinning of the OP stack, to become a ZK rollup, which is what Polygon's software kit provides. A ZK rollup is a secondary network that relies on zero-knowledge proofs, a type of cryptography that's become one of 2023's hottest blockchain trends, partially due to the technology's ability to provide fast finality or settlement of transactions. The news provides yet another jolt to the increasingly competitive field of Layer 2 blockchain teams, which have been battling over new projects that might help to expand their interconnected ecosystems. In addition to the OP Stack and Polygon ZK EVM, there are rival software kits available or under development from Matter Labs, which stands behind the ZK Sync project, and Arbitrum, which is another Layer 2 blockchain. CELO recently disclosed that it was considering Polygon's CDK kit over the OP Stack to roll out its Layer 2 chain, and Matter Labs quickly jumped in to say it was vying for the project as well. The Manta decision could come as a blow to OP Labs, which has been riding high ever since the OP Stack was chosen as the foundation for cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase's new Layer 2 blockchain base. OP Labs is the primary developer behind Optimism, or OP Mainnet, which is the second biggest Ethereum Layer 2 network after Arbitrum. Blockchain experts have said that ZK technology might be more advanced than optimistic technology. A key reason Manta Pacific mainnet is migrating to Polygon CDK is because of concerns over security, highlighting the fact that OP Stack currently doesn't have any fault proofs to secure its system. Fault proofs are at the core of the optimistic rollup technology, and OP Labs is currently still testing them on their OP Gorilla testnet. Kenny Lee, a co-founder of Manta, said even with the proofs available, it is really contingent on someone in the network actually generating a proof. There's that long delay on the withdrawal side, which users are kind of impatient as they should be. It's their assets. Manta becoming a ZK rollup will take some time though, with a transition period for about 6 to 9 months. Blockchain intelligence platform Santiment revealed in a post on X that Render has generated substantial profits for traders and investors this month. According to the post, $24.1 million worth of Render has been accumulated this month by large wallets, which are wallets holding between 100K and 10 million Render tokens. Looking at this accumulation trend by large holders in more detail shows that these addresses have added 5% more tokens to their bags in the past 2 days alone. Meanwhile, Santiment data revealed that the altcoin's price has risen by more than 39% since September 1st. Another bullish statistic is the supply of Render currently housed on exchange platforms. According to the latest post by Santiment, Render supply on exchanges has dropped to its lowest level in 2023. Render had suffered a 24-hour loss of 1.3%. As a result, the cryptocurrency was trading at $1.87. Despite the negative daily performance, Render's price was still up 8.5% over the past 7 days. A positive trendline has formed on Render's daily chart over the past 3 weeks, and during this time, the altcoin's price printed a series of higher lows. Should this bullish momentum continue in the next few days, then Render could attempt a challenge at the next resistance level at $2.40. This bullish thesis, however, may be invalidated if Render drops below the $1.73 mark in the coming 48 hours. Oracle service provider Chainlink has been in the news lately with a strong rally over the past month. After hitting a high of $8.13 on October 1st, the Link price has seen some downward price action. However, despite the recent downside volatility, the Chainlink price still trades above its macro trendline. There's a possibility that the Link price could come to retest the macro trendline and bounce back thereafter. As per on-chain data, Chainlink has piqued the interest of institutional investors on October 13th. On that specific date, over 20 million Link transactions valued at more than $50 million transacted Link. Such large transactions often indicate a surge in speculation surrounding a cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, it is important to note that such increases in activity do not necessarily guarantee an immediate rise in the asset value. In the realm of RWAs, or real-world asset tokenization, there is a growing momentum in the crypto space, and according to a report by research firm K33 Research, Chainlink's native token Link could be the safest choice for investors looking to capitalize on this trend. K33 analyst David Zimmerman stated, "If we wish to have exposure to the RWA narrative and avoid being sidelined when it takes off, Link is the safest bet." He highlighted that global banks and cryptocurrency platforms are already taking steps to leverage tokenization, and Chainlink has established itself as a crucial piece of infrastructure for connecting blockchains with the real world through its network of oracles and extensive partnerships. He added it may not be the most significant gainer, but there are fewer projects better positioned to benefit from this narrative. That's it for your altcoin Buzz News update. I'm Ruskin Buffington. Thanks for watching.